Well, it's St. George's Day and I go to the supermarket, if for nothing else, to buy some more snacks for Lara the cat, who's prowling around. And whenever she wants some food, all she needs to do is look into my window and she knows that I'll feed her. Anyway, Brexit shortly. Brexit? No. um, Supermarket shortly. And Laura the cat is had some food, but isn't eating it up. I think this is her second feed, so she's let make it last. Anyway, Brexit. Oh, she's at the food again. Anyway, I will go to the supermarket shortly. And I'm back from the supermarket with my provisions, which should last me about 4 days or so. And of course, I've got some treats for Lara the cat. Because I always get treats now. And some food as well, of course. Yeah. And the thunderstorm hasn't happened, and I don't think it will, because we're a safe spot round here. Okay, well, tomorrow.